Hello guys, today we will be looking at the introduction to Power BI. Now, there's some things you need to know in Power BI before we start a project. Now, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool that we use to transform raw data into meaningful insight with the sole aim of making informed business decisions. Okay, so now we have Power BI. Power BI is number one rating application we use in data analytics. Now, in Power BI, we have, if you go to my file, now let's go to the home page. So we see in Power BI, we have different channels which we can use to get our data. Now in Power BI, we have different data types. We have the whole number, we have the decimal, we have the string, which is called text, we have the date time, we have the time, okay? And Power BI, we use Power BI to perform the data analytics. Remember we said that we used to transform raw data. Now I'll be showing us a little thing on how to go about Power BI. So Power BI, if I click on blank report, you're going to see we have this information. These are the ribbons, okay? Then we have what we have the filters that you want to fit your data, the visualization which consists of different diagrams, okay, and we have the data, that means our information in terms of data. And have it in mind, we have what we call the report view. Now the report view is to view our data visualization. Power BI is into three. We have the data sourcing, we have the calculation, and we have the visualization. All right, so this is the table view where we perform our dashboard. Then we also have the table view. This was the report view, pardon. This is the report view. Then the table view where we see all our information in terms of data. Then the modeling view, it shows us the relationship between two data. For example, let's say we have two tables and we want to connect them. So we connect them performing a relationship, okay? So the identical columns we use to perform a connection. Then we have the DATX, the formula of DAX is data analysis expression. Okay, so we use this now to perform calculations where we write the information, write form of a statement, and we run. Okay, so now if I want to input a data, I'll still go to my blank report. I go to my report view, and you can see we have Excel, SQL, and a blank table. So if I click on this to get another source, just a minute. Now you can see we have Excel, the text as a CSV, and you can see we have a whole lot of channels which we can use to perform our data analysis. So you can see in terms of file, we have the file JSON, folder, PDF, then we have database, we have the Microsoft Fabric, we have the PowerPoint, we have the other database and online services. So you can see that there's a whole lot of information. So with this now, I believe we know what Power BI is, and we have been able to see the background view on how to go about our information. Like example, we said we click on the get data from another source, and let's say I want to use an Excel file. I click on it and I connect. And you can see it's going to show me a file that I'm going to use. So when I click on it, I'm just going to see open, and I'm going to see my navigator. Just a minute, it's going to show you. So you can see we have our navigator. So what I have done is explain the introduction, the report view, the table view, the data visualization, and all other things you need to know.